we're going to look at this software in action. I've set it up so that it'll be easy for you to see how this works. Okay, so right here we have the Anki software, and as you can see, we've got different things available for you to look at. You've got the Hebrew 100 basic Hebrew phrases, 100 basic Hebrew verbs, 500 basic Hebrew words, alphabet, and Hebrew numbers. You've got all of these available to you, all these decks available to you. Okay. Now let's go ahead and just click on one by way of example. Let's click on alphabet. And by clicking on the link associated with the deck that you want to study, it'll open up that particular deck. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Study Now. And you can see what I'm clicking on below the video. And what we have right here is our first flashcard, okay? And then what you would do is click on Show Answer to see what the answer is. But what we have here is hey. Okay, now
Hey.
What just happened is the flashcard actually says the letter as soon as you click on Show Answer. All right. But if you want to hear it again, simply click on the play button.
Hey. Hey.
Okay. So you can click that as many times as you like. And then over here, notice that I mentioned you can click on any one of 4 buttons right here. You can click on Easy, Good, meaning, you've got this, you're good. All right. You might click on Hard if it was hard to know what that particular letter was, or click on Again. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Good. All right. And then now it shows me another Hebrew letter. Now this, of course, is the Gimel. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Show Answer.
Gimel.
Gimel. Okay. So the software will say the word with the pronunciation. I'm going to click play.
Gimel.
And play again.
Gimel.
Just that reinforcement. Now, for those of you who want to be able to hear the Hebrew as you're learning it, as promised, this Anki system delivers. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say easy, and we're going to take a look at this next one here. We've got the Vav. All right, so we're going to click Show Answer.
Vav.
Vav. All right. Now, of course, Vav can make different sounds. It could be a V sound, it could be an O or a U sound as far as transliterations are concerned. But let's go ahead and click play.
Vav. Vav.
Reinforce it with the hearing, okay? And then we will go ahead and click easy. All right, now we've got the bait, okay? This is the B or the V sound. We're going to go ahead and click Show Answer.
Bet.
Got the bait. Okay, now I'm going to click on play.
Bet.
Bait.
Bet.
Okay, there we go. Now we're going to go ahead and click on, let's click on Good. I want to see that again. Lamed. Okay, we've got the Lamed. Now when we click Show Answer.
Lamed.
Lamed. All right, it's the L sound.
Lamed. Lamed.
Lamed. Okay, so good. And then we've got the Zion, right? Zion. Now, the 7th letter of the Hebrew alphabet, it's really interesting. One way that's easy to remember this one is Zion sounds a lot like Zion, okay? And so that's one way that I think of as far as remembering this. Just, you can come up with your own mnemonics, but that's something that's pretty obvious to me. That similarity stands out. So we'll click on Show Answer.
Zain.
Zain. Okay, and we can click play again.
Zain. Zain.
Zain. Okay, and easy. All right. And then, of course, the Aleph. All right. Now, we'll click on Show Answer.
Aleph.
Aleph. And notice that for the pronunciation or transliteration of this one, it's either Aleph or notice it's got a little hyphen right there because the aleph can be what? It can be silent. All right. And so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and click easy. And we've got the dalet, right? The dalet. And we'll click show answer.
Dalet.
Dalet. Dalet.
Dalet.
Dalet.
Dalet.
Dalet. And we'll go on. Okay, so now congratulations. You have finished this deck for now. The training is available. It's available for free. And not only that, but it's available on a platform that you can either work from your desktop computer or your mobile device, which makes it really nice. Learn Hebrew, hear the proper pronunciation, and advance from one level to the next in whichever category of the language you are interested in learning. So again, thank you for watching. This is Damian Jordan for Hebrew Study Group. Shalom.